The stock head bolts are torque to yield, so you can only use them once. And we're probably not going to do it right the first time, so we got something you can reuse. ARP head bolts. ARP head bolts. Now, since you can reuse them, they take a little bit of a different torque procedure, so stick around to the end to see what that looks like. To clean the spot space where washer seats. Essentially, clean where the washer seats. Brake cleaner is recommended. Use a clean, dry rag to remove any oils from both sides of the washer. You have this little rough side here. Put that facing down. Apply Ultratech to your bolts. Thread them into place. Just hand tight for now.
I do want to note that our bolt holes were a little rough, so we had to use a socket to kind of snug them down. Next time we'll use a thread chaser to clean them out before installing our heads. Our head is orientated upside down compared to that picture there, so make sure you look at that picture, orientate your head correctly, and start torquing. The first sequence is at 25 foot-pounds.
1 through 10 again to 50 foot-pounds.
The last sequence for bolts 1 through 10, 80 foot-pounds.
Now it says do 11 through 15 to 25 foot-pounds.
These are the small bolts on the intake side.
Ta-da!